Hello, Sarah from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing again here, and welcome back to the checklist series of videos, the Google Ads checklist for e-commerce. Today we're up to checklist item number 37, and today we're asking whether you are making regular bid adjustments based on performance by time. So it is very likely, and it is the case that at certain times of day and on certain days of the week, you are going to see different performance in your Google Ads account. The one that springs to mind is usually sort of traffic in the early hours of the morning between maybe 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. Usually for most people isn't great. You can have, all sorts of people clicking away and getting traffic that just doesn't convert, but you're spending money but you're not converting. So it's particularly important if you have a limited budget to make sure that you are optimizing and either reducing bids on time periods where you're not doing well, you're spending money and not getting orders or conversions, or actually sort of not showing your ads at all during those periods if you are limited by budget. The same goes opposite, of course. You might have certain times where you get, particularly good conversion rates, you get lots of inquiries, you get lots of orders at certain times of day or on certain times of day certain days of the week. And so you'll want to maximize that by making bid adjustments to increase your bids during those periods and then dropping them back down later. So I'm just quickly going to go in and show you where you need to go so that you can see that information. Now again, this is my old account, so it's nothing running in here at the moment. So under the report section, under predefined reports, if you go to time at the top here, there are a couple of options here. You have day of the week and hour of the day. So I would start off probably best to look at day of the week, and so you can see maybe if there are certain days where you need to for the whole day kind of reduce or increase bids. So you just see the days here. Just adjust your columns. You can click the columns over here to adjust what columns you see here, so you can see your conversions, your conversion rates, your cost per conversion. You can have a look and see if anything stands out as being particularly good or bad. And you can also then obviously look at hour of the day, where you might see over time that at 4 o'clock in the morning you're always spending money but you're never getting any results. So again, you can just look down, as you can see here, most of the conversions are happening sort of during the day. And you've got sort of, this is from midnight at the top here to about 5 a.m. here. You've got not so many conversions happening, and those that are happening are quite expensive. So you maybe want to reduce the bids on that or increase sort of bids during the day down here. But that's where you go to find the data. And it is really important that you keep monitoring this, maybe once a month, depending on how big your account is. Most people once a month is probably okay. But this is where you're going to get those small increments of performance improvements that's really going to make the difference with the profitability of your accounts. So that's today's checklist item. Don't forget to comment below if you have any questions, or if you would like any topics in particular covered in another video. Pop them below the video, and I'll do my best to get to those. Please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel over here. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.